Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we will share the details for the GeForce Now error code 0xC0F11002. The error reads, "The game quit unexpectedly. Try playing it again." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to play a game on GeForce Now. Some users have reported that the game crashes within 2 minutes of playing and the error shows up every time. According to our research, this issue is likely caused by outdated drivers, VPN conflicts, firewall restrictions, or an issue with the GeForce Now app. To deal with the error first, update your drivers on GeForce Experience and check if the error still comes. If the error persists and you are using the GeForce Now app, then check if there's a pending update. If so, update the app and try playing again. Also, if you have a VPN enabled, try disabling it and check if the error still comes. If the error continues, then try disabling your device's firewall and antivirus temporarily, then check if the error still occurs. If you still see the error, then switch between the GeForce Now app and the web version. We mean if you are using the app, try playing through a browser or vice versa. If none of the previous steps fix the issue, you may need to reach out to GeForce Now support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.